Hi guys, today we're gonna make chunky strawberry sauce. 6 cups of diced strawberries, 2 cups of sugar, mix, half lemon juice, pinch of salt. Mix and cook it on high flame for 30 minutes. And guys, you can use this topping for cakes, pancakes. You can even make strawberry lemonade, fruit parfait. Once you see this foam, just fish it out. And our sauce is ready. Let it cool down. I'm gonna store mine in a mason jar. Thank you for watching, guys. And please make this recipe and tag me on my Instagram account. Have a good day, guys.